welcome back. In this training session, we'll show you how to customize the message settings for every email you create using PreferencePro. In this video, you'll learn how to customize basic settings like your from address, subject line, and test address. You'll learn how to schedule messages, how to handle advanced settings like email bounces and pass along, how to target your messages, and how to personalize your messages with dynamic content. Whether you're creating a new message from scratch or using a pre-made template, your first step is to log in to PreferencePro's Admin Control Panel. Then click on Create Message. From this window, you can manage every aspect of message creation in PreferencePro. I like to start at the top by confirming the from name and from address. You can edit these values if needed. I also recommend you organize your messages by campaign for easy access later. The default for PreferencePro is that your reply address is the same as your from address. But if you want, you can customize your reply address here. Next, you can enter your subject line and pre-header. Historically, your subject line drives the open rate of your email. But with most email now viewed on mobile devices, you should also customize your pre-header. In both fields, you can include plain text and emojis. And finally, you should confirm the email address you'll use for testing. Once your basic message settings are entered, scroll down to schedule your message. You can send your message once or on a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. You can send your message immediately or schedule your message in the future by choosing a day, time, and time zone. And using artificial intelligence, one of the unique features in PreferencePro is the ability to customize your delivery schedule based on customer behavior and time zone. Next up, you can edit advanced settings, including how the system handles soft bounces, pass-alongs, and email frequency. Unless your offer is only good for a day, I recommend you resend soft bounces for at least a few days. You'll usually want tracking and compression turned on. And if your list has a frequency cap, you can override that cap for any message. And finally, depending on your offer, you can automatically include a pass-along link at the bottom of each message. Scrolling down further, here's your chance to target your message. By default, all your messages will be sent to everyone on your list. But by using filters, you can target your message precisely. To create your own filter, click Edit Filter and choose the segment type. You can use system fields like subscription date, open date, click date, and send date. You can target saved audiences, you can target messages based on predefined segments, and you can combine filters to generate the results you need. In this example, we'll select active wine club members. Then we'll select customers who've spent at least $500 in the past. Using built-in logic, you can build any filter you need. And if you want to reuse an audience, you can save it here. Just click Apply and you're ready to go. The final step before layout is personalization, using individual fields or dynamic content. If you're using individual fields for personalization, search for the fields you want and click to activate. Once you select the fields you want, you can paste your personalized fields in any message. PreferencePro's dynamic content allows you to insert an entire section of personalized content based on a customer's profile. To add a block of dynamic content, give your content a name, create at least one version, and set a filter. The result is that when a message is created for a contact that meets your criteria, your personalized content will be included. Whether you create a new message from scratch or use a pre-built template, that's all it takes to customize your message settings in PreferencePro. To learn more, visit us at www.vinteractive.com or search help.listtrack.com for answers and expert advice for getting the most out of PreferencePro.